how to list and sell digital products on eBay. Hi there, today we will be learning about how to sell digital products using this platform. This actually is definitely a great idea for you to start selling your digital products since eBay actually has benefits. For example, they actually have a vast user base, which provides significant opportunity to reach a wide audience for your digital products. And this actually is a platform that has a strong reputation. It is already well known and is a trusted e-commerce platform. Selling on eBay can provide credibility and instill trust in buyers, increasing the likelihood of your successful transaction. And a good thing here as well is that eBay also has an easy listing process, and it's very user friendly, especially to beginner sellers or to new sellers here that are using eBay as their e-commerce platform. And for you to start selling or creating your product listing, you can just click on to the store icon on the upper right corner, and here this is your seller profile here on your eBay account. What you can do is click on list new item, and for you to start listing you need to input the product name or the product title of the digital product that you are trying to sell. So let's say the digital product that you're selling is an audiobook, and here you will be able to see different products that are similar to the product that you are trying to list. It actually, when you click on next, it will also provide you different types of audiobooks that is currently in the market, and you can either find a match to that, and you can also modify as well the details or the different topics or the type of audiobook you have, so that they will be able to modify or have a much more great results with the finding a match to your product, to make sure that the product that you're selling will definitely, you can definitely look into the different products as well that you can see as a similar product, so that you will have an idea on whether this is a good product or not as well. So here you can actually choose a topic, so depending on what the audiobook is about, what genre it is, you can actually choose that as well. So you have options like American history, anatomy, anecdotes, ancient works, American Revolution, a lot more. You can actually browse into a lot more topics or genres that you can look into just by browsing into these informations provided, or you can actually search it directly on the search box provided as well. So here we need to choose one, or you can actually have the option to skip the step if you don't want that to be applied. And then here you can choose what type of audiobook, but if you want to continue without a match, that's still possible. You can also confirm details on what is the condition of your item, whether it's brand new, like new, very good, good, or acceptable. You can definitely indicate that as well. So once you have filled out all of those informations, you can now create or complete your product listing. So you need to, or you can incorporate the image of your product. You can also incorporate a video as well. That's definitely acceptable. And it's suggested as well that you have a lot of images that you can incorporate into your product listing, so that your clients or your audience or your potential clients will have an idea on what the actual product would look like and what they are what they will be expecting with the product that you are selling as well. So once done, you can actually modify the item category, and you also need to fill out the details for item specifics like who is the author, what language the audiobook is. You can actually make sure as well that you input the book title, and you can incorporate the ISBN, or this basically is a serial number for the book that you have. And then here are additional informations like what the topic is, what the format of your book is. So let's say it's a audiobook, or you have a cassette tape, or a box set, or an MP3 CD, or even a USB flash drive could be an option here. And the next thing here is you can choose what genre the book or the ebook you have, and you also need to input as well who the publisher is, so that um, with all these details filled out, your customers and clients will know that the product you're selling is legit or it's authentic with all these details here. So we'll just fill out all these informations. Publisher, and you can also look into the narrative type. You can choose whether fiction or non-fiction, and then here you have the publication type, on what year it was published, who the narrator was, who are the intended audience, what is the runtime, what are the features of your audiobook. You can even look into the book series as well, and on what country or region was the audiobook manufactured. You can actually look into, or just fill out all these details, and so that you will be able to identify, or you will have a own personality or your character for your product, so it would be unique. So for example, it's personalized. Whether it's personalized or not, you can actually click on yes or no, but here you can actually indicate as well who is it signed by, or what literary movement it belongs, what case type, what era. You can actually indicate that as well. This would definitely help you, especially when your audience will specifically search a certain um, genre or a certain topic of that book. So once they will search that into the eBay, they can, or your product will be one of the results that will show up. So here you need to input as well the product description. You can input a short description or a summary on what the audiobook is about, and what your customers will expect, and what features it includes. You can actually indicate those informations as well. And then here, this is where you'll be setting the pricing. There is an option where it's an auction if it's a only a one product that you're selling, or two. You have the option to sell it on auction, but here you can just buy it now, since you will have a lot of copies, or you have a lot of stock for your specific product. So you can set the pricing, you can set with added volume, and you can also set the pricing or shipping policy rather. You can indicate the package weight, the package dimensions, so that the courier or the courier will know on how they will be pricing your product when it's being sold. So once done, you can just click on save, and then make sure that you have filled out the item location, the item specific, so that it will be successfully added into your online store here on eBay as a seller. So once done, you can actually just click on save and continue. You just need to fill out all these details so that you'll be able to go through. And once everything is filled out, you will now wait for the customer, or your product will be posted into your account, and just wait for the customer to order the product that you have. And then on eBay as well, that's where you will be able to manage your You also have a part where you'll be managing the products that you sell and digital products as well. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.